So the other day I had a question about how I transport my bike with my Tesla Model 3. So I thought I would take a little video and show you all the product that I use. It is called the SeaSucker and it does a fantastic job. So let's begin. Okay, so the SeaSucker is what I use, and I keep it right here inside the frunk. It's very easy storage place. As you can see, it is a suction cup version, but it is rated for extreme speeds. I think it's like 160 mile an hour. It's been tested, something along those lines. Either way, I've had it on the highway up to 80, 85 miles an hour with my bike without a problem. So let's go check out the installation part of it. All right, so the cool thing about installation of this product is that, it can be put anywhere. I can put it here, or I can put it here, or I can put it here, or I can put it sideways. That is the cool part about this. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Little water. Let's get this on. A little water on the suction cups. Get that. Put a little water on top of the car. Place it wherever you like it, and then starts pushing the buttons to suck it down. Get on here. So what you're going to want to do is you keep pushing. Let me get everything on here. You keep pushing until the orange, so you can no longer see the orange. So you notice this front one, can't really see the orange anymore, but the back one still got a little bit left. So just keep going. It'll start to stop here in just a little bit. Yep, like that. And there you go. It is attached to the car now. It's attached. It's not going anywhere. Same thing goes for the back. Back is a single unit itself. Same scenario. Spray a little water on it. Spray a little bit on the car. Place it on. Same deal. Push it. Suction it down until you can't see the orange. And then once you have it, you have it. There you go. Voila. Done deal. Instant bike wreck. And the cool thing after that, once you're done and you actually show up wherever you're going, you can easily pop this off. Just a little pressure up underneath the suction cups. It'll release. As simple as that. But that's also not necessarily for means of theft. Somebody could come up, you can take your bike rack. I parked it in a mall parking lot, had my bike strapped to the top of the car. I took a chance that nobody was going to take my bike off the top, and I didn't have any problems with it. So nobody messed with it. I suspect most people probably won't, but I could see in some locations, certain circumstances, somebody may want to take your bike rack. So just keep that in mind, that they do make an option. You can hook it to your trunk if you're not going to be using it, but if your bike's still attached to it, you may have to take a chance. But otherwise, it's get to your destination, take your bike off, take your rack off, call it good.